Are you over 65 and worried about losing your strength? You're not alone. Every year, millions of seniors notice their muscles shrinking and daily activities getting harder. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful food that can help rebuild muscle, fight sarcopenia, and get you back to feeling strong and independent again? Let's talk about it. First, a quick reality check. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, isn't just about looking frail. It's about struggling with stairs, losing balance, or even just getting up from your favorite chair. It can steal away your freedom little by little. But here's the good news. You can fight back, starting today. So what's the secret? It's protein, specifically a nutrient-dense muscle-building powerhouse, eggs. Yes, humble eggs. Packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, eggs provide everything your muscles crave as you age. They're affordable, versatile, and easy to prepare, even if you don't cook much. Why eggs? The protein in eggs contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. And unlike many processed foods, eggs are gentle on your digestive system. Plus, they come loaded with vitamin D and B12, both essential for muscle function and keeping your energy up. Think about this. Every muscle movement you make, from waving at a friend to hugging your grandkids, depends on healthy muscle fibers. By adding just 2 eggs to your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to repair and rebuild those fibers, no matter your age. I know change isn't always easy, especially when life feels overwhelming. But small steps matter. Try making eggs for breakfast, or add a hard-boiled egg to your salad for lunch. You're investing in your future, your strength, your independence, your joy. If you've already tried adding more protein or have a favorite way to eat eggs, tell me in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else who needs a little boost. Remember, age is just a number. With the right nutrition, you can reclaim your power and live life on your terms. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and thanks for watching.